Now, remember I told you about the discrepancy between the starting ground. I'm going to zoom to it by clicking next to it and saying zoom to the selection, and our development. What we want to do is we want to move the starting ground up towards our development. And then if we need to refresh the FBX, we can, and it will appear in place, and our starting ground and any other terrains that we will add will be in the correct position. But how do we know how to move that? And the way we can do that is by clicking on development.fbx and making sure that the hierarchy is expanded. So this little V over here, make sure it's put out. Click on ID 0, and then down here, go and choose transform, and then expand this little triangle as well. So you'll see that ID 0, so that's the 0, 0, that's basically the center of the development, is at this position, 926.86, 952.54, and aha, Z, 225.03. Now, if we went up to starting ground, you'd see this is like minus 80.15. So what do? Well, we simply just click. So let's make it 225. Hit enter. There you go. So now it is not going to be perfect, but it is much closer than it used to be.